we've actually partnered with Los Mesteños for several years now. So this is the first time as director that I was able to oversee it and participate. We were able to show the students not just carpentry skills, but plumbing, electrical. They got to tour the facility. They got to learn more about Del Mar. They got student ID badges. And so it continues to grow. And so we are hoping, because of the interest that we showed the students this year, they're going to have even more programs to choose from next year. So it's only growing. And so we hope that partnership with Los Mesteños continues to grow.
This is actually my second year in this program, and I really enjoyed it. It's a lot of hands-on things, and it's a very good experience. I'm always with my parents building things, so being able to help other students with measuring and being able to sort of talk to them and help them out and do these little projects with them so they can take them home was absolutely amazing.
So we worked Monday through Thursday, and we would drive here every morning around 7:50, and we won't get here till about 8:30. We would drive in every day and drive back home, but I have another job too, so I'm kind of basically working all the time. We built a shelf. We had to do a lot of measurements for it, and it was actually a fun experience to do.
I'm actually very grateful that Del Mar College is allowing students from further away to come travel over here and be on campus to do what they need to do. We have taken a tour around the campus, and it's really big. You might not think that it's big, but it's really big, and we actually got lost on the way this way.
So being in a rural area, these students may not always have accessibility to the training. Maybe sometimes their barrier to transportation, sometimes it's financial. With Los Mesteños Career Academy, they remove those barriers. And so it's just an amazing partnership to reach out to those students that may not normally get this opportunity.
This was like the best 4 weeks of my life, you know, not really being home as much, working from 8 to 2, and it was like pretty good.
Being it from Rivera, Fremont, Falfurrias, hey, we will drive you, we will pay you, we will give you the free training, the supplies, the books, everything covered.
I was satisfied with the money. I didn't know much about, taxes and how to go to the bank and cash out my check. But slowly but surely, getting the first check last year, I started realizing that it's not as hard as it seems.
Spend it on what you need most. Don't go spend your check in one day on dumb stuff, pretty much. Me, I'm a big saver. So I have my savings account, so I just put everything in my savings account instead of spending.
So definitely it is a bridge, not only from, these students to Del Mar College, but just to college. Just to college. We want them to know that, look, you just passed a college course right now. This is post-secondary, you passed it. Wherever you go, you can do it.